This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnett. Welcome to this one-level full brick home offering 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 full baths, and an incredibly functional floor plan perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Enjoy large rooms throughout, including a generous living area, roomy bedrooms, and a convenient main-level laundry room. Storage is abundant with ample closet space and a full unfinished basement, ideal for future expansion, a workshop, or added storage. Step outside to a covered rocking chair front porch, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation, all set on a beautifully landscaped level lot. The double-attached carport adds convenience and protection for your vehicles year-round. This home offers the perfect blend of comfort, space, and potential. Don't miss your chance to make it yours. For more information, review the